This video isn't financial advice, and Will is not your financial guru, so make sure to do your own due diligence. And now, let's begin.
Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Will. I'm coming with another video about connectunited. This is an amazing opportunity that I just founded. You will see me creating a lot of content around this because it's a solid ecosystem. We have real companies offering real products. If you are looking for something that is going to be running for a long time, you should definitely take a look at connectunited. They got started a few years ago. Through the years, they keep improving, keep growing, keep adding new functionalities to the system. For sure, you will find videos published years ago. Back in those days, it was just like a startup, but now they are starting to go to different levels, and that's why I want to be part of it. So to get started, let me tell you that I'm not allowed to talk about the estimated numbers. It's just part of the privacy policy. There are a number of regulations that we need to follow because this is an established company. But what I can do is share with you the evolution of the accounts. I want to show you just a fraction of one of the Zoom calls. There is one of the members who joined this opportunity a few years ago. He will give us a tour inside his account. I'm sure you would like to see how that works. He will show us his progress during the last few years. And stay until the end of this video because I'm going to show you some other tips that you're going to need in order to open your account. Before we go there, I want to invite you to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you so much for your support. And if you need some help along the way, you can find me on my open Telegram group. The link is in the description of this video. So how this works? What are they doing? What are they offering? As I say already, this is an ecosystem where you're going to find different opportunities, different companies that are coming with solutions to a number of problems. We are talking about climate change, environment, poverty, health and wellness, economy, workforce management, education, food security. This is one that I like the most because they have a system to verify we are eating safe food. There is another product related to human rights. Make sure they are hiring only qualified people to do mining. So no more using childs to do mining. So very interesting projects that we can be part of. And how we can participate? Well, we can do all of this by using blockchain. Most of these companies are running software to collect funds, to put the word out there, to connect to different sites of the world. That requires money, requires time, and also requires computer processing. The easiest way to put the word out there is by helping them running the software. If we help building these strong networks, they can continue doing what they are doing, and in return, we can get some rewards. We are not going to call it software, we're going to call it nodes. We can run those nodes in our computers, in our devices. We also have the chance to run it in a private server. There are nodes to participate in health and wellness industry. Element is the company involved in the mining industry. They have Galvan, which is another one connected to health and wellness. Switch is a crypto debit card, and we can help them to run their system by using their nodes. The price of those nodes goes from 500 all the way until 9,000 USDT. But to explain now how that works, I'm going to play the video where Billy Womack is one of the top leaders in this opportunity. He's going to give us a tour inside his account so we can see the full evolution during all of this time. After that, I'm going to come back just to show you how you can get the discount where you can get 4 nodes for the price of 1.
So I bought 11 software nodes. Those 11 software nodes were online for 2 years. A lot of people like, well, what's my daily interest? What's my ROI? Guys, let me explain something. That's not the way a real business is done, where you sit there and say, what's my daily ROI? That's pump and dumps. Those are those scam type things. So with this, I make it very clear we're not allowed to talk about your future earnings. We cannot talk about that. You shouldn't be talking about that. It will get you in trouble. Anybody that sits there and tries to tell you they're going to make 3 to 4 or 5%, it's a scam. And we don't even, like, our legal team and our compliance team are second to none. And they won't, if you sit there and start telling people these nodes are going to make you rich, you're going to be in a lot of trouble. We don't talk about stuff like that because we can only talk about what we've made in the past, not future earnings. I can show you what I have because that's perfectly fine. So I'm going to show you guys that I actually, what I did was what I said I did. Let me go back to withdrawals here to some of the rewards. here you go. This is 2 years ago. So what happened was I was minting that reward for, or that those nodes were online for almost 2 years, because what happened 3 months after I got them online, I moved to Vegas. 3 months later, COVID hit. So we all know during COVID, nobody was working, nobody's doing anything except for our developers who was developing from home. So then I got a call about a year and a half later, because I was manufacturing medical stuff for Johnson Johnson down in Mexico. And I got a call saying, hey, my nodes were online. Or my the no, excuse me, the rewards. Yes, fumbling today. Apologize. The rewards were going onto exchanges. Just keep an eye out on my account. So I watched Gala go from 3 cents, 5 cents, 20 cents, 40 cents, 60 cents, and then up to 84 cents, all in a matter of like 4 or 5 months. So it was very, very exciting, because when I opened up my wallet, I had over $10 million liquid in that account. So I said, oh, you know what? Since I've got that, I went out and bought my dream car, a Bentley, reinvested a lot of that money. I'm building a big home right off the strip here in Las Vegas. And then you kind of see right here where I kind of pulled out. Now, this is not dollars. This is the Gala token. It was at 84 cents. So 84 times 2 million, 84 times a million, so on and so forth. And this is right here when it came out. So I want to jump back over here, because I don't want to be focused on Gala. That's not what we're on here for. So I'm just trying to show you a past history. So right now, if we look at our back office here, well, if I made 10 million bucks and I only had 11 nodes, and I wasn't into gaming, but these other projects I really believe in a lot more. Of course, I went heavier on my nodes, hoping that I would get some similar results. So now I own, in this particular account, because I have one for my daughter and one for my trust, but this particular account right here has 390 nodes. It's got a 135 switch, 100 grow. Let me move this out of the way. 121 nodes or element. So, and you can kind of see here, if I click on grow, got 100 nodes right now, and they're cranking out about 290,000 rewards per day. When Brian talks to me, I said, I haven't bought a crypto coin in years and years, and I won't, and I don't need to. The reason for that, why would you buy a token when you can actually make these for free every day? What happens if you buy it? Well, I got a really good deal. Would you come in at a quarter? Well, what if it goes down to 10 or 15 cents? You haven't made a single thing. What if it sits there for a year? You've never made anything. But my software nodes, every single day, rain or shine, as long as I have them online, I get distribution 7 days a week. So these just started distribution January the 5th. So I've already got 17 million accumulated right here. I just saw it came out the other day on an exchange for a nickel. So let's just kind of do the math. 318,203 times 0.05. That's roughly 800 grand right there. Liquid that I could take over to the exchange and do something with. All right. So that's grow. I love that blockchain. Here's Switch, which is our banking application. These nodes have been online for quite some time. We started mining this 3 years ago now. So we had a bank that we were partnered up with that went into foreclosure. That's the only reason this particular blockchain never launched yet. But now it is. When I say launch, it's already been up and running. The getting it onto the exchange part hasn't happened until recently. It's just now started hitting the exchanges. So this one's got 135 nodes, and it's still paying me 86,000 rewards per day. And Brian can kind of get into the tokenomics, but the tokenomics with each one of our blockchains, normally we have 100,000 nodes on every project, and we have 50 billion rewards on every project. Year one, just like Bitcoin has a halving event every 4 years, we have a halving event every year. So there's only 21 million Bitcoin, and but they have a halving event every 4 years. The last Bitcoin won't be produced till the year 2140. That's 120 years from now. So we have a halving event every year. So those that get started and buy your nodes early on are the ones that are going to participate and get the most distribution the first 5 years. But as you can see with Gala, I'll just give you an example so you see this. 4 years later, I'm still getting 7,275 gallons per day for free. That was 16 hours ago. Right there. And you can time that by today's price of gala. So what's that, Brian? 7,500. Here, I'll get it. 7,500 times 0.05621. That's about $421 a day. Still making on a gala that I can cash out today, put in my bank account today. So that's every day. Every day my distribution comes in. Some days it's more, some days a little less. Why? Because it depends on whose nodes are online. If some nodes fall offline, they're not receiving the rewards. So that's kind of how that works. So let me go here. Here's another one that one of the blockchains I absolutely love called Element. I'm not sure if you guys have seen overviews on these. This one I've got 121 nodes, and let's see, rewards. This one's got about 141 million in that wallet right there.
So that was Billy. I was in that Zoom call a couple of days ago, and it really blows my mind. So much potential here. I'm going to start to build my positions, and that's what I'm going to show you in my future updates. Just real quick, if you want to get the promotion, all you need to do is come where it says buy notes, select the type of deposit you want to use, USDT, USDC, or USD credit card. After that, you need to add at least one note right here. And keep in mind that this promotion is going to run only for the next 90 days. What you need to do is click right here. And instead you pay in 2,000 for one note. You can click this button to apply the discount. And you can pay only 500. Now, if you pay the 2,000, you're going to have access to 4 notes. Just make sure you also apply the coupon right here. So in that case, for 2,000, you're going to get 4 notes. All right, just click and check out and complete the steps. If you are completely new, I have a full guide on how to get started. I'm going to put that one right here in the top corner, or you can find it in the description of this video. And again, if you have any questions, you can find me on my open Telegram group. The link is in the description of this video. Thank you so much for staying here until the end. I hope to see you in the next one. My name is Will, the crypto leader from Leaders Road. Bye.